Hi Crawford Fund! I'm Katherine.
And I'm Joanna.
And we're here to tackle the challenge of declining seed diversity in the Asia-Pacific region.
In recent years, there's been significant crop genetic erosion in the Asia-Pacific due to a host of reasons, including intensive monoculture farming, vulnerability to pest outbreaks, and climate change impacts.
That's why we propose a solution combining in situ and ex situ conservation strategies to broaden the narrow genetic base in the Asia-Pacific. There are three key ideas to this solution. Firstly, governments would formally designate areas we'll call quasi-in situ conservation sites, abbreviated as QICs. QICs are semi-natural environments which mimic a given plant's natural habitat. Farmers would monitor, maintain, access, and plant seeds from ex situ collections into these sites. Relocating prioritized seed types from gene banks, botanical gardens, and other ex situ conservation sites to semi-natural sites, instead of subjecting them to artificial conditions, would improve germplasm survival rates and enhance genetic diversity representation.
Secondly, we would promote the provision of intel, technical expertise, and specialist facilities from gene banks to aid research initiatives and conduct genetic analysis services in these QICs, thereby aiding selection of target taxa.
Third, we would strengthen and integrate Indigenous and local knowledge system into QICs to enhance plant agrobiodiversity conservation efforts. First Nations peoples have developed deep ecological, horticultural, and practical knowledge of plants across tens of thousands of years, and the recognition and utilization of this knowledge is crucial for holistic and sustainable management of plant genetic resources. So who is impacted?
Farmers, especially small-scale farmers, would become more financially stable as they can gain access to crop varieties from the QICs, which are adapted to agroecological conditions like climate or soil, thus leading to higher yield and marketability of their products. Further, they can learn sustainable farming techniques and seed-saving methods from cooperation with valuable ILK systems, improving their agricultural practices.
All consumers in the Asia-Pacific can also potentially benefit from this solution, because now that farmers are actively planting a variety of crops instead of monocropping, this means consumers will be able to access more nutritious varieties and unique flavors. But most importantly, food security, particularly for lower socioeconomic classes in the Asia-Pacific region, will improve drastically, because first, conserving crops in semi-natural environments facilitates evolutionary processes like natural selection, which leads to development of more resilient crops with higher yield. Improved crop yield is equivalent to more food availability, safeguarding food shortages and price fluctuations for agricultural products. Such stability in food availability is crucial for lower economic classes who struggle to afford essential food items.
Second, the successful cultivation of diverse genetic varieties increases access to plants with a wider range of nutritional benefits and culinary uses. This causes better dietary outcomes and significantly reduces risks of malnutrition, thus improving food security.
Nearly 45% of the Asia-Pacific population cannot afford or access a healthy, sustainable diet. And that is why our solution is so vital to restoring food insecurity in the Asia-Pacific region. This is more than saving seeds.